This is POCO F5 and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. To start, you will need to launch the Google Play Store and of course make sure that your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi. Then type in the Opera browser in the search bar. Once the app is found, open its app page and tap the install button over here, or you can also initiate its installation directly from the search results as well. Doesn't matter, both ways or both routes will lead you to the same identical result, and then simply wait for the Opera to be downloaded and installed respectively. Now I think my Opera download is pending since there are some other updates or installation that are in the way, perhaps. So let me cancel all of those and give Opera the first priority. Once the app is ready, you will obviously need to launch it. In here, while opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple setup procedure. So firstly, tap the continue button, then choose if you would like to enable notifications from Opera, or perhaps set it as your default browser app. And at this final page, you can either customize the permissions, or rather the data collection level of access the Opera will be able to gain or will have an access to, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app already. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.